Plane spotting at home number 2 with RFDS flying Doctors PC-12 heading to Jandakot. Next up, a Singapore Airlines Airbus A350-9 going towards Singapore Changi, departed Perth Airport 5 minutes ago. Next on our list is, next one is a Leonardo AW139 RAC helicopter. The registration of Singapore Airlines was number 9 Victor Sierra Hotel Quebec. The Flying Doctors PC-24 was Victor Hotel Victor Whiskey Oscar. This RAC helicopter is Victor Hotel number 8 Alpha Romeo. Coming from a bushland, going to Jandakot. Next is an Emirates 777-300ER registered Alpha 6 Echo X-Ray Tango, I think. Can't remember some of these. Coming from Dubai, going to Perth. And the helicopter that's flying past is a Bell 407 coming from also some bushland, registered Victor Hotel Zulu Charlie Papa. Going from a bushland towards Perth Airport. Decided to just have a look on Flight Radar, and correction about Emirates 777-300ER's registration. It is actually Alpha 6 Echo Quebec Alpha. So I'm sorry for the wrongness here. I'll show you Perth Airport. Here it is. So Qantas Terminal, Terminal 2, Terminal 1, and where Terminal 1 is where I go on plane spot. The light that you see is, it's in the clouds. It's a Jetstar A321LR, registered Victor Hotel Oscar Foxtrot, Quebec. It's in there somewhere, I promise. In the clouds once again, if you can see it. is a Thai Airways 787-9, registered Hotel Sierra Tango Whiskey Alpha. Should be somewhere. There it is. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.